Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to be talking about how to use the cable machine. Oh my goodness, guys, I hate it when people can see that you're recording and they still walk in front of you. Anyways, moving on. So the cable machine, listen, if you ever go to the gym and it is super packed and literally there's no machines available but the cable machine is there, trust me, you can do any and everything on the cable machine. You can work on your glutes, you can work on your arms, everything. So here I'm showing you how to use the cable machine. First you lift the flip thingy to go down, because obviously we're trying to work on our glutes here for this video. So pull it all the way down, and I actually brought my own ankle strap. I am just adjusting the weights because you know I can't come and kill myself. Okay, so I'm adjusting the weight, and here I played myself because I was supposed to put on the ankle strap before hooking it to the machine. Anyways, we live, we learn, moving on swiftly. But yeah, guys, honestly, the cable machine is amazing. Like, I can't even list the amounts of things you can do on the cable machine. You can work on your back, your bingo wings, your inner thigh, your chest, your glutes, everything. Literally is so amazing. It's one of my go-tos whenever, you know, the gym is super busy. So here I'm showing you one of the workouts that I do almost too often. I do, and yeah, basically you just do that, adjust the machine to the height or whatever it is that you're planning on working on. Once you're done, unhook yourself. Obviously most gyms have their own straps, but you know, I'm extra, I like to bring my own. And once you are done, make sure you put it back where you found it. Well, as far as you can anyway. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and don't forget to share, comment down below. Peace and love.